How to save ChatGPT conversation as PDF in mobile. So without any further ado, let's get started with this video. First of all, on your mobile device, open up the Google Chrome and then open up the ChatGPT from your Google Chrome. Here I have already loaded ChatGPT with my conversation. Now to save this as a PDF in your mobile, tap on the three dots icon from the top right corner. From there, tap on share. Here you can scroll down a bit and then there is an option as print. So simply tap on print. Now you will get the PDF format of your conversation in this interface. So first of all, you can customize the size of your paper. If you tap on this letter, then the paper size you can select as you wish. You can go with all of these options right here according to your need, and then you can select the color from there, black and white or color, and then the number of copies, and then the orientation as well. Once you have set it all, then simply tap on this download icon that you get to see on this interface. After you do that, select the location in your mobile device and then simply tap on save from the bottom of this interface, and then your ChatGPT conversation would be saved as a PDF file in your mobile device. And that's all for today's video. I hope this video was helpful, and if you are new to our channel, make sure to subscribe, like, comment and hit the notification bell icon. Thank you for watching till the end, and I will see you on next video.